Welcome to your next getaway in Koh Samui. Before we explore this peaceful retreat, don't forget to check the QR code or description for easy booking details. Tucked away in the lush embrace of nature, the two-bedroom private and peaceful villa offers a serene escape for families and couples alike. This four-star villa, perfect for up to 4 guests, blends comfort with tranquility, surrounded by the soothing sounds of Koh Samui's greenery. Designed with relaxation in mind, it's an ideal spot to unwind, with a layout that feels both spacious and intimate. Families will especially appreciate the welcoming policy for children aged 2 to 7, who stay free, making it a wonderful choice for creating sweet vacation memories. Step outside, and you'll find an inviting outdoor pool, an oasis framed by tropical gardens. Whether you're gliding through the water for a refreshing dip or simply lounging poolside, it's the perfect place to embrace the island's laid-back rhythm. Beyond the pool, the villa offers thoughtful amenities like free Wi-Fi to keep you connected and convenient parking for hassle-free exploration of the island. Every moment here feels like a gentle retreat, where the beauty of nature meets the comforts of home. Don't forget to check the QR code or description below for booking this private paradise. Your peaceful escape in Koh Samui awaits.